nene oyibo igoterete wizara ya mang'ana isiko yense Muske Musalia Mudavadi nigo aikiranira somo chio New York mense America eriogochia kumwarigania humurai bwense oyokagire goikerana sense meyo urenchiremo yogochia koumerana baraibande ase umoiga bwo koumerana kwa OBOMO BW'ECHINSE bose United Nations General Assembly entunde ya 53 Ruto nigara chekora enkwana yaba Kenya ase umoigo yo erigo kwandira emiroberio yo bwamate bwense ya Kenya amone chinse chinde.
We are here because we expect President William Ruto, who is the head of our delegation, to arrive and steer Kenya's engagement within the Unga framework. He'll be arriving on Sunday, and he is slated to give his address on the 24th in the morning. Other than that, he will also be involved in quite a number of sessions. These sessions include a high-level engagement on Haiti, where Kenya is going to co-host a high-level briefing with the United States on the Haiti question, where we are the lead nation in terms of the MSS mission. So it will be an opportunity for President William Ruto to give an overview of Kenya's experience on the ground.
And as a country, we really benefit from these collaborations. Our people have benefited, especially the young people, on issues of jobs. There are talks on agreements to labor migration, and there will be discussions on those kind of issues to get opportunities for our people to get jobs in this country. We are also trying to see whether we can be able to talk to even university and the academia who will be around. There will be many meetings.
Issues on credit rating, which as it stands today is not favorable to countries such as Kenya. So as one of the champions of this agenda, it will be important for His Excellency President Ruto to come here and just profile those issues and speak to them. So his presence is being awaited here. People are looking forward to hear his voice about some of these issues, because he has been a consistent